Higbee Honey Farm in Morgan, Utah, we're offering a work and learn experience like no other. Dig into greenhouse operations, seed starting, aeroponics, and automated irrigation. Design innovative growing systems and master honeybee and apiary management. But that's not all. You'll also gain web marketing skills to bring farm fresh products to the world. Spots are filling fast for the 2025 growing season. Some last indefinitely. Visit higbeehoney.com/experiences and start your journey today.